For who this one? For who? For who that one? Is that for Papi? Is this for Papi? Oh, Papi's excited with the bear. Poor thing. It's still new. We need to cut those. No, not yet. He's grabbing already. This is the church specialty that rooming already. And this is Mr. Build-A-Drill. No, he is the person who say bad words. It was fake news. So we will try to do the cafe. Auntie, read it. Cafe restaurant, not only cafe. Okay, so we're gonna check this cafe restaurant because Mom is hungry. Welcome. Wow, Bill is so gentleman.
Cookie cut